Okay. I think we should be good. Okay. So, hey, it's me, Sabrina, aka Sab Henny, and I'm in my kitchen right now. I'm trying not to show all of it because it's dirty, but this is what's in it. It's like not that filled so far, but I've got some stuff about peppers. Can I zoom? No, I can't. This says I love you cherry much. I have two of these in my house. And then that says paradise. And then that's a toaster. But I'm in here because I finally finished, oh no, it's all right. I finally finished the wall that's like on the other side of this. I live in like a little tiny studio, if it's like not obvious. But the wall that's like that you usually see behind me, oh my gosh, that was like so intense. The wall that you usually see behind me, I finally finished it. Actually, I finished like the whole corner. So I want to show you. I mean, I can't really do like a house tour because it's just a studio and it's like just my room. So, but yeah, I finished it, and I mean, eventually I'm gonna finish like more parts of the house. So this will be like a little series because it took me forever to like actually legitimately finish that corner to where like there's now nothing more I can do. So this wall that I'm looking at, like this other part of my kitchen, is kind of done because it's where you see like all the hats. If you ever see like in the back, it's like where all the hats are hanging up. So I mean, it's pretty much done, but anyways, so yeah, I just want to show you the corner, and this will probably be a short video, but I'm really proud of it, and I put it on my Instagram, but I just want to go through it. So here we go. You pretty much always see my bed. These are new. I usually had brown pillows behind, but oh my gosh, these pillows are dirty. They have makeup on them. Those are usually like brown pillows, but I just got those. The like leopard print ones or whatever. So that's new. But over here, this is like the only new part of like this part of the wall is I just recently bought a bunch of CDs. Well, my little sister gave me her old Lana Del Rey CDs, which was so cool. But yeah, so I took the liberty of taking out all the booklets of all the CDs that I have so far. So we've got Paradise, Lana Del Rey, Astroworld, Travis Scott, of course. Am I talking loud? I feel like I'm talking loud. We have I Love You by The Neighborhood. We have Rodeo by Travis Scott. Some rap songs by Earl Sweatshirt. I Don't Like Shit, I Don't Go Outside by Earl Sweatshirt. And then Born to Die and Ultraviolence by Lana Del Rey. So that's that little bit. And then of course we have the Blues Clues blanket right there. That's it fell, so it has a little dent in it. In fact, I could probably fix it. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's the Blues Clues blanket you're used to seeing. That, oh my gosh, you're seeing into my closet. But that's, I mean, it's not Christmas anymore, so I have to take that down. And then that's the other thing right there, see? But see, this is getting into the part of the wall that's not done, so we're not going to go over there. So yeah, that's that. And then over here, I always have something over there, but that's a picture of my mom right there. I feel like it's always that Starbucks cup that's right there. That's my, like, drinking water at night cup. And then, wait, let me, so then over here we have my rainbows, of course, and then we've got, you know, this guy. Oh, hi. And everything, of course, like, aside from, like, the CDs and my family pictures, it's all thrifted, obviously, so, but yeah, so I've got the rainbows, I've got the bear, I've got the police car. Oh, well, this was given to me by my old co-worker, so that's that. But then I've got that little thing, and then we're getting to this wall, which, this is what it looks like. Oh crap. So this is what it looks like in full. This is, I mean, it's not very much different from like what it was looking like. But I finally have like every space filled. So, of course up here we've got, oh, and I mean this is also, if anyone's ever wanted to like see what everything is up here. So you've got this like Coca-Cola thing that I found at the outlet. This is like, so like I've said in videos, I used to live in Washington State. That's where I was born. So this is like the last license plate that we had. And then I got that from Weed, California. And then that is a Lana Del Rey record, and I don't have a record player, but I was trying to find a CD before my sister gave me that one. But I was trying to find her CD at the CD store, and none of the CD stores in my town had any Lana Del Rey CDs. So I was like, well, damn, I better buy, because this record, like, I walked by the records, and it literally was, like, sitting in the front of one of the piles, which I thought was kind of interesting. But, so I was like, and it was, like, the only one, so I was like, well, I better get this before, like, you can't get anything by Lana Del Rey anywhere anymore. So, and, like, I'm gonna try to get a record player, hopefully, but, I mean, for now, it looks really nice right there. And then I just cut that out of some cloth. So it's kind of like jagged, but it looks kind of cute. And then this I've shown in a haul. It's the little Pooh Bear thing. These are, like, of course, yellow flowers going across, and they're, like, not the same length, but, and then they stop right there. I don't know. I'm definitely, like, not an OCD person, so I don't care about, like, that not having the same, I don't know. I know that, like, I guess that probably would bother some people, but. And then In-N-Out, I don't know if there's In-N-Out in, I don't know if there's In-N-Out in every state, but it's pretty popular in my state. So this was actually a shirt. This was on the back of a shirt that I thrifted. You know what, I'm gonna cut that out. I just skipped a long story, but this was on the back of a shirt and I cut it out, so, and it looks really nice actually. It's like really well designed. And then I got the love thing right here, and then these things. These are like some of my favorite little things. Like, look how cute, the little hearts and stuff. And then this big old square of flowers. Ow, Astro is biting my foot. Stop it. Yeah, that was actually a shirt that I had as well. And that shirt also ended up getting stained. But it got stained, like, in the wash. Like, oh, Ash was playing with that. What was I saying? Oh yeah, it got stained, like, it had like a big, like, spot on it from the, what is it called? From the laundry detergent, so it was weird. And then that's just something I thrifted, like, a long time ago. It says Princess, what does it say? Oh, of everything. But, this is, like, the air thing. Look at Astro, he's always in the business. Aren't you? Oh, you're so cute! Okay, yeah, but that is what I use for, like, my air conditioning, so it's, like, convenient because it sticks to that, so. And then, yeah, I got my little Oregon hat, and then I got that little cherry bag, and that's pretty much, oh, okay, well, I can also show you over here. So, because my desk is, like, kind of done, too. I mean, ignore, oh, you can see, like, my legs right there. I'm wearing, oh, this is my outfit, by the way. Hold on. This is my outfit, by the way. This is like the time of day where the light coming in is kind of weird, so. But I have this, like, long, striped, I mean, you see what it is, like, skinny, it's like a dress, but I tied this shirt over it, so. And look at the back, it's like, I think the back looks cool too, because, hold on, both of the sleeves, like, are blue, so, like, do you see how that looks from the back? Like, instead of having, like, the, like, all, you know what I mean? Like, all the colors like this. I just kind of find it, I don't know. I just feel like the back looks cool, too. It looks just as cool as the front. And I just think it's cool that there's two different, like, oh my, did you see that? Oh my gosh. That was funny. Okay, anyways. So yeah, this is the desk. I've got some books right here. I've got an astrology book. I've got What Color Is Your Aura. I've got a cooking book that I never read. I've got a book about time. I've got a book about Buddhism, which I keep starting, but I need to really get into. And then this is a photo album that hopefully I will fill soon. I thrifted that. This is a little, oh, this was in my, well, I filmed a little haul of the most recent trip to the outlet, but I don't know which one of them will be posted first, so, but that's something that I found. It's like a little bag. It's like so cute. That's me and my dad when I was in high school. And then this is like a dirty, like, cause this has like my makeup in it, so I have my dirty makeup fingers all over it. But, I mean, yeah, it's cute. I thrifted it. Oh my gosh, it's like so dirty. I'm sorry. But hey, this is real life right here. And then we've got this, of course, my little baby Looney Tunes thing. We've got another Lana. That was in the record. That was in this, which I thought was cool because I didn't expect it, and it fell out, and I was like, oh my gosh. So I hung her up. Oh my gosh. Astro's going crazy. That, I mean, that's just been there as, like, I move everything around, so it says vibes. So I gotta find somewhere, like, better for it to go. And then this martini thing. Oh, there he is. Running around all crazy. And then this is, like, I just have, like, my toiletries in here and stuff. But, I mean, yeah, it's, like, a little cutout in the wall, so I took this big thing. I'm sure you've seen it in the back of some of my old videos. And yeah, so that's right there. It's pretty cool. I like it. And then this is, I mean, where it gets pretty weak, so nothing really going on over here yet. But yeah, I mean, other than that... The only other, like, part of my place that's, like, pretty set up, like I was saying, this is the wall where, like, all the hats are, and it's, like, kind of done. So, I didn't want to show, like, the unfinished parts of my house yet, but maybe this will be, like, a little progress log that I can look back at. But yeah, there should be, like, 2 more hats up there, but I take them down and wear them sometimes. But yeah, those are all the hats. But yeah, in this table... I just have some cute little stuff. So I have this little egg factory. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this little egg factory. I mean, like, you see these all the time at the thrift store. But it's just so colorful and cute. And then this is just, like, I just bought this Coke from, like, a Safeway. And I made my friend drink it because I don't drink soda. And especially Coke. Ew, it was so gross. But, and then shout out to Khloe Kardashian because, I mean, everyone knows she has, like, all her candies and stuff, like, separated with these things in her house. So I actually, my goal, I would love to do that. I would love to have, like, a separate, I have another one on in another part of my kitchen that keeps all my teas in it. But I would love to have, like, one for, because these are my favorite. Oh my gosh, I freaking love these. So I would love to have one that's just full of these, and then one that's full of Butterfingers, and then just, like, oh my gosh, all my favorite. I am, like, a candy addict. Oh my gosh, I need to stop. And then this is one of my favorite things. Oh my gosh, that looks like Wi-Fi. This is a teapot that I thrifted, and it is a cow, a pretty demonic looking cow, and he's jumping over the moon, and I don't know. I don't know what this is. Well, I don't know, like, what, I can't think of how the like, riddle go, or the riddle, what are they called? The nursery rhyme? I can't think of how it goes. I don't know what character this is supposed to be, but I just thought it was the funniest thing that I ever saw when I saw it at the thrift store. Like, what is this thing? Ew, like, you can see his back muscles working. It looks like he's literally climbing up something. Like, this is so weird. But I like it. Oh my gosh. And it, like, okay, so it makes me think of my tattoo also. Like, see? The moon and the star. Like, oh my gosh. And I've had this for, like, a long time. And then I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh. So, but it doesn't face, I should have it facing this way actually. For some reason I usually have it facing the other way. I'm kind of an idiot, I don't know. But yeah, so I'll have it facing that way. This is when I put my keys in, as you can see. Have I ever showed my keys on camera? I have a Poe. He's kind of dirty. Oh my gosh. He looks like he's like so been through it. He has. I've put him in the wash before too. And he's like come out clean. So he just, oh my gosh, my keys go through a lot. And then I have this big rainbow and then this little blue one. And that's that. And then I have this picture, which I am like obsessed with. It looks like Poppy, first of all. It reminds me of Poppy. But when I first got it though, I thought they were holding like rifles, which I thought would have been so cool. Because they're like the cute little girls in these little dresses. But they're holding cats, which they look like Astro. Oh my god, and there's 2 in there too. They look like Astro. Those are things that I took off the desk that shouldn't have been there, but you know, we're trying to make it look like the whole place is clean. Oh, and then that's just, whoa, it looks like it's like glowing. But that's just a candle that someone got me for Secret Santa, which was so nice. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so they're wearing these like cute little like dresses, and they're just so cute. And yeah. So that's pretty much this part right here. So this has been my tour. Do I look dumb at this angle? This has been my tour of my completed corner. I mean, hopefully the desk area will be more like, I don't know. I don't know how much more I can do there. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I'm looking and I'm but yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and it has been me, Sabrina Sabhenny, reporting live from the Rainbow Room, and signing out. Oh my god, there's thing in my teeth.
Young, free, and wild.